All right, GVMC, this is the video to find our 3 mini winners for my Bart Star full-size rep helmet with 2 inscriptions. So we'll check the time, November 15th at 2:26 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have November 15th at 2:26 p.m. There is the list of our 46 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then we are looking for the top 3 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is John, Dan, and Steve. So, John, you will get 12 spots in the main in first pick. Dan, you will have 6 spots in the main. So after John picks, you get to pick 6. And then, Steve, you will get the remaining 5. That is it, guys. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, November 15th, 2:27 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.